Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I've just noticed that all the Android phones, the new versions now, don't allow you to install an SD card. This short video I'm just going to show you an easy way of how you can install it. So guys, simply go to your Chrome. I'm just gonna show you the simplest easy steps that you can take on this one without any hassle. So on the top right corner, click the three dots and scroll down, click settings and scroll all the way down until you see downloads. Click on downloads and click on download location and then choose your SD card. The storage location now will be from the SD card and it's going to be in your Android data com.android file download. By so doing, you are done. Anything that you're now going to download is going to go through straight to your memory card without any hassle. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe.